Alright, hello everyone, my name is InsenerKarl and today I'm unboxing my IKEA water cooling stuff. Well, so for me, I still don't have the PC and all the parts for it, but by the time you see this video I will have assembled the PC, but for me there's quite a long way to go. So let's open it up. Two packages, and I think I will open the tape and then I will be back. Alright, I took everything out of a box and now let's open all of them, because I don't think you really care about me taking them out of a front box. So this is the tubing, 500 millimeters, so 2 meters here, and this is a long 1 meter tube, two 1 meter tubes, so PETG, not acrylic. So let's open it up. Let's start with, let's start with the water block for the CPU. So this is a lot of stuff. Ball. Okay, let's go with fittings first. So this is a plug, a drain valve, some extenders, 90-degree fitting, and more extenders. This is also an extender, a bit nicer one, and these are 16mm classic fittings, and here are the nice torque ones, also 16mm. So let's open this up if I can. I will use a knife because I want to keep the nice box. Look at these beautiful fittings. So pretty. Oh, oops. Awesome. For real, really awesome. So let's put these away for now. I will close the box. Alright, now let's look at the CPU water block. Quantum velocity, AMD, nickel and acetal, the RGB of course. So, should be nice. Ooh. Now, can I do it with one hand? Tripod still hasn't arrived. Ooh. Very nice. I had a similar box for my old water block, but this one is nicer. Mounting. And some thermal paste. And what down here? The backplate. And this is the block itself. Look at this. Original packaging, yep. Oh. Look at this, it's beautiful. I'm not gonna remove that one, but it's beautiful. The RGB, yeah, focus. So yeah, this should light up very nicely. Looks awesome. So I'm gonna put it back now in the box, because there's really nothing much else here. And we will move on to the pump. So yeah. Alright, this is the pump. Looks awesome. Well, I'm gonna use the normal camera because it looks better than the wide angle one. But this packaging is so much nicer than the other pump I had. It was a crappy SPC pump. This is a D5. So yeah, let's open her up. And can I do it with one hand? Well, I am going to have to it's technically one-handed. I'm gonna flip it over and take it out. Don't want to break it. Alright, it's out of the box now. And it should be beautiful. This is also plexi acetal, not only plexi. Oh, I'm sorry. I think I just caused you a headache. And I don't think I can open it after breaking it with one hand, so be right back again. Look at this. This is huge. Ooh. I'm so excited already. Look at this. It's so beautiful. I already love it. I love everything about this new computer I will be getting. But it's taking a long time. So this is some rubber mount for it, I guess. I mean, I don't think I will be using it. And this is, I think, the manual, and we don't need that right now. And this is some extra stuff for this. Mounting, tubes, plug, screws. So we are not going to take this apart in the template because, well, I don't think you want to see screws. Maybe you do, but yeah, this is awesome. I will take it out with 2 hands because it's awesome. This pump is so pretty. I mean, it probably would be with only plexi tube, but look at this. It's awesome. Plexi is so clear. I think it's acrylic actually. Okay, so this one at the moment should be mounted like a bit up from the place because there are wires underneath it. I thought they would be coming from the back, but okay. No worries, we can work with that. And I think you might be able to change that. So yeah, it's awesome. So beautiful. I will put it back in the plastic now so it doesn't get, yeah, doesn't get fingerprints on it and scratches or anything. And then we will move into the radiator. Alright, here it is. The water plug. It's huge. At least the box is. And I'm guessing it also is itself. So I will take it out. And here's the backplate. I will also take it out. Alright, here's the inside of the box. Our thermal pads, you know, you need them. Mounting screws. And now the box was a bit damaged in shipping, but the block should be fine. Oh, it's heavy. Oh my god, this graphics card will be huge if the water block is already this big. Like, this is so huge. At least it will be. Okay, nothing more here. Let's put it aside. And let's take a look at the block. Although, should I? I mean, you can kind of see it. And I don't want to ruin the material. Because it doesn't seem to have any protective covering on it. So I don't want to put fingerprints on it. But it's huge and heavy. I mean, I guess that's why it costs 180 euros almost. Like, so much. Because, yeah, it's huge. Like, I don't think even my last graphic card, 5th cooler on it wasn't this big. So the 30 series really is huge. So I didn't go with the plexi one because I thought, let's go with the acetal one because plexi sometimes fades away. So yeah, I'm not going to, but it's, you can see it. I'm not going to open it, but it's huge and heavy. Like, I don't have a scale right now here, but it's huge. Look at this. Like, there are strix. This makes it noisy. So yeah, I will put it back and we will take a look at the backplate. So here's all the mounting you're going to need. And here are the thermal pads. So yeah. Alright, and here's the backplate with the mounting screws. So let's take this one apart, because well, it's backplate. So I really don't care if the thermal thing gets a bit fingerprints on it. And I think I will use 2 hands again. You know that this gauge is huge when the backplate comes with so many thermal pads. So look at this thing. I think it's because the 3080, not 9, I mean 90 has some memory chips on the back. But this is also beautiful. It's aluminum. Aluminum? I don't know. So I think it goes on this way in the... No, I think this way. Yeah. I mean... So yeah, it's beautiful. I mean, I love it. And now let's put it aside and take a look at the last parts of the loop. Not so interesting. So a DRGB splitter, because it has, my motherboard only has 2 DRGB slots, but this one I need 3 at least. And a foldable filling follow, because I was idiot and didn't realize the Black Friday deal gave you a normal one for free video pretty much, because I bought the coolant. But yeah, so this is the tube primer. Well, nothing, it's a tube primer. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I most definitely will try to make a build vlog. I even bought a tripod. Well, it's on the way from China, so I hope it arrives on time for my other parts. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.
I've been thinking